It was constructed in one single night. If you happen to travel when it's so hot, please be extra careful. It's another fantastic fountain. How good is it, guys? This one is definitely the best I've tried in Italy. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Trento. We're going on with our Northern Italy trip and I'm so excited to show this city to you. It's my second time in Trento, however it's the first time I'm visiting the city during summer and I really want to discover it when it's hot, you know, and sunny, and I want to show you all of the beauty that this city has to offer. So if you're ready, let's go with me. Bon Concilio is probably one of those landmarks that you can't miss when visiting Trento. Even if you are here for just one day, make sure to visit this castle. It's so magnificent and it's very impressive. And also the history of this place is absolutely amazing. This castle, guys, it has so many legends linked to it. As you know, I'm a fan of all the legends concerning witches. It is said that during the Middle Ages, the witches used to frequent this castle quite often, and also it used to be called Castello di Malconsiglio. Well, today it is known as Bon Concilio. Bon Concilio translates literally from Italian as the good advice, while Malconsiglio means the bad advice. Actually, the original name derived from the Latin words, meaning something like the public assembly. However, I love this Italian pun of bad advice linked to witches and stuff. It is said that this castle hosted various feasts and celebrations that locals didn't like that much, and that's why they called it so. However, we have what we have. We have a fantastic castle, perfectly preserved, that you can visit with amazing views from the castle, and I'm gonna show them to you too. And also, guys, even Charlemagne used to stay here for a very short time, but he's been here as well, and now it's our turn. Guys, it is very hot these days in Italy. It's a heat wave, and I probably said that before in my other videos, and I honestly don't know whether it still be that hot when this video goes up. Anyway, if you happen to travel when it's so hot, please be extra careful. We're filming and I know it's not very good, but we're trying to stick to shade and drinking a lot and making AC breaks. So please assess your health and the possible health risks when going out or traveling, especially in the Southern Europe, especially in summer. Be always mindful and careful of your health, please. That's really important. Guys, how cool is that? There are all these water fountains everywhere, on every step. I still have some water, but you can always refill it here. And also, I love how these fountains are honestly the art pieces. Definitely, I love it. So good to have some ice cold water, guys. It's a dream in this heat. Guys, look at this house. Can you just imagine how beautiful it used to be when all these frescoes were more visible than they are now? They are still visible and you can still imagine, luckily you can still imagine what it used to look like but thinking of the magnificence of this city when most houses were like this, colorful, painted with amazing frescoes. Can you just imagine living in Trento a few centuries ago? Guys, I found this place finally. I got a little bit lost before, but I wanted to take you to this palace because here in Trento it is known as the Demon's Palace because the legend has it that it was constructed in one single night by the devil himself. You know, it's always whether to believe this legend or not is up to you, but the palace is really impressive. I love the architecture here in Trento, and I also love all the streets. It's very different from the rest of Italy. It might be somewhat similar to the architecture in Rovereto or, you know, further up north in like Bolzano. However, it's so different from Bologna and all other things that we've seen so far. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Guys, there are all of these wonderful fountains here, and this one is very peculiar because when you see this eagle on top of it, and the legend says that while a certain man had to be executed on this square, an eagle arrived and sat on top of the fountain, and the man screamed, "If I'm innocent, turn into a rock." And that's what we have. The eagle has turned into a rock, proving the innocence of that man. But today, it's another fantastic fountain. How good is it, guys? To be near the cold water. Oh my God, that's amazing. I got to admit, I was very close to putting my head under the water or doing something similar because the heat today is absolutely unbearable. There are 33 towers in Trento, guys. Does it make you think of something else? Because it definitely reminds me of Bologna and some other cool places that we visited where there were lots of towers, like San Gimignano in Tuscany. And some of them you can still see here, you know, like right in the city center. And some other were transformed over the course of the years. One of the towers used to function as a prison. Now it is a seat of one of the seats of the modern art museums of Trento and Rovereto, and I love it. I love how these buildings are being repurposed, and I love that you can still admire them today. Guys, can you imagine living in a place with such a view? Waking up every day, opening your window and having the view over the mountains and all of these beautiful, colorful buildings, cute squares, cobblestone streets. I love it so much. I mean, Italy is definitely fantastic. All of the country is fantastic. However, I think, you know, when you've lived for quite a long time in a certain place, even in Italy, you start craving something different. I would love to stay here at least a few weeks maybe or days just for the change of scenery. And also, yeah, even though it's very hot, I still feel like the climate here is milder than the one in Bologna. So if you're looking for a place to move to in Italy, or if you're looking for a place where you'd like to spend your holidays, I highly recommend you to consider Trento, trust me. You know, guys, that I absolutely love trying specialities, local specialities wherever I go, and in Trento I could not avoid trying the apple strudel because the apples from Trento are famous in the whole Italy. And so today I've decided to try this artisanal strudel with local apples and some ice cream as a side, so let's try it. So excited. I mean, I'm always excited for new desserts, you know. It's absolutely divine. It's very different from the strudel that you can find in Austria. However, I can say that this one is definitely the best I've tried in Italy so far. I will leave you a link in the description box, as always, to all the places I visited, including this place, which is called Casa del Cioccolato, the chocolate house. So you get the vibe, guys. Even if you don't like strudel, you can absolutely find something else here. For example, their artisanal Sachertorte, which is also good, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, the strudel is awesome. I highly recommend you to check this place out. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed spending this very hot day with me. If you love my content, if it inspires you or helps you planning a trip to Italy and you want to help me support my channel, please hit the thanks button down below near the like button, and like that you will help this channel incredibly. And also, as usual, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. If you're new here, welcome to Dramatically Expatic. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to get the notification of all the upcoming videos, because I have a lot of vlogs coming your way. Hopefully you can come and visit Trento yourself, because this city is lovely and it's definitely worth a visit. Thank you guys for being here and enjoy your day.